In this video, we are going to study about another aspect of population interaction, that is competition. So what is competition? It is an interaction in which there is a rivalry between two or more organisms for obtaining the same resources, or we can say the closely related or unrelated species compete for same source of resource that are limiting in nature. Depending on the type of species, competition are of two types: intra-specific competition and another is interspecific competition. In case of intraspecific competition, the competition occurs between the same species of the individuals, whereas in case of interspecific competition, the competition occurs between the individuals of different species. Inter means different and intra means same. So competition between the same type of species or the individuals is called intraspecific, and if the competition occurs between two different species or individuals, it is called interspecific competition. In between intraspecific and interspecific competition, intraspecific competition is more acute than that of interspecific competition, because all the members of the species of intraspecific competition have to fight for the similar requirements, like that of a food, light, water, space, shelters and mates. And apart from these requirements, intraspecific competition also controls the size of the population through decrease in the number of births and their survival. Now in interspecific competition, there is two or more population that belong to the same trophic level or the feeding habit that compete with one another for natural resources. Therefore, the competition in which the superior type of individuals will exclude or eliminate these inferior type is known as the competition or interspecific competition, where the superior organisms are going to eliminate the inferior ones. Keeping the view of elimination of inferior type of individuals by superior type of individuals, Gauss gives the hypothesis and introduced a principle of competitive exclusion, in which in this competitive exclusion there was two species of paramecium. He took two species of paramecium, and out of these two species of paramecium, when grown together, one type of paramecium has eliminated the species of another paramecium, another species of paramecium, due to the limiting resources. Another example for supporting this hypothesis is in Galapagos Island. In Galapagos Island, Abingdon tortoises became extinct within the 10 years after the introduction of goats. So in case of Galapagos Islands, Abingdon tortoises were there in more numbers. But when the goats were introduced in these islands, these goats were more agile and are better browser than that of the tortoises. So for the absence or the competition of the resources, they become extinct within the 10 years of their introduction. So this shows that the competition keeps the population, or they may eliminate the population of the inferior species when same type of food is present in the environment. Thank you.